This prototyping is comprised of 4 rotation modules and a power plant, which is controlled by light intensity. In this control system, the prototyping uses Arduino Uno board and the photoresistance to receive and transmit light signals. After that, drivers can convert this signal into pulse signal that make the stable motor rotate. Each rotation module can be separated and reassembled. The elastic fabrics rotate and stretch with the gears. Through this process, the prototyping can form a unique pattern and block out light. When the light intensity changes, the prototyping can open gaps by the rotation of gears. When the gears reverse, those gaps will close to reduce the amount of light.